Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. So today once again I've collaborated with another YouTuber, Suhaifa's Food. I'll be making chicken biryani and Suhaifa's Food will be making this tasty Ozi rice. Ozi rice is a common rice in Afghanistan. I'll put the link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 kg of chicken. You can use more or less. 5 blended tomatoes, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 piece of chicken cube. I've used jumbo or you can use magi, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of biryani powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, and 1 tablespoon of garamasala. Then you're going to need 5 slices of onions, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 1 cup of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 sliced cube potatoes, 2 limes, a 1/4 teaspoon of orange food coloring, and lastly you're going to need some tomato paste. So the first step, we'll start making our chicken. You're going to add a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and lastly squeeze 1 lime. And mix all the ingredients with the chicken very well. Then cover the chicken and place it in the fridge to marinate for at least 3 hours or more. The next step, we're going to fry our onions. In a pot or a pan, you're going to pour some oil and let the oil to heat up. Then add the sliced onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Keep on stirring the onions constantly so that the onions can cook evenly to have a nice golden brown color. Once the onions have this amazing golden brown color, then your onions are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them aside on a plate. The next step, we are going to fry our potatoes. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of orange food coloring and mix well. Deep fry the potatoes in the oil and cook them for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. Do not let the potatoes to be soft. We just want the orange food coloring to stick with the potatoes. After 1 minute, your potatoes are ready, and remove them from the oil and place them aside on a plate. After 3 hours of marination, our chicken is ready as you can see in the video. Then it's high time to cook our chicken. So add about 3 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, arrange the chicken in a pan, then cover the chicken to cook on a low-medium heat slowly by slowly. Flip the chicken after every 3 minutes so that the chicken can cook to have a nice brown color. Once the chicken is nicely cooked and have this amazing brown color, then your chicken is ready, and remove it from the pan and place it aside on a plate. So the next step, you're going to make our stew. In a large pot, you're going to add the blended tomatoes. Then you're going to add the spices, which are garamasala, chicken masala, biryani powder, turmeric powder, black pepper, some salt, and the chicken cube. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, the fried onions and the fried potatoes, a handful of coriander leaves, 1 cup of yogurt, a 1/4 cup of cooking oil, 5 tablespoons of tomato paste, and lastly squeeze 1 lime. And mix everything well, then cover to let the stew to cook on a low-medium heat slowly by slowly. When the stew is cooking, make sure the heat is on low-medium heat so that the stew doesn't stick at the bottom. Once the stew is a bit thick like this, lastly you're going to add the cooked chicken and mix everything well and slowly to avoid from mashing the potatoes. Then let the stew to continue to cook on a low-medium heat. So if by any chance your potatoes will be soft, you can remove your potatoes and place them aside, and you can place them back the last minute. When the stew is thick and the potatoes are soft, then your chicken stew is ready. So it took me about 1 hour for my chicken stew to be thick like this. Then your chicken stew is ready and serve on a serving bowl. And my tasty thick chicken and potato stew is ready, as you can see in the video. The potatoes look soft and the chicken is well baked. Like this stew, it's so tasty. So the next step, you're going to make our rice. Ingredients in making the rice: you're going to need 1 large glass of basmati rice, or you can use any other rice that you like, red food coloring, some raisins, orange food coloring, green food coloring, and lastly some salts. So I've soaked my basmati rice for about 30 minutes, then I've strained the water. So today I'm going to make my rice in the microwave, or you can use a rice cooker or a jiko. I'm going to add 2 large glasses of water because I've used 1 large glass of basmati rice. Then I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and mix the rice very well. Then cover and place in the microwave to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I've removed the rice. I didn't want the rice to be completely dry because I'm going to return it back in the microwave. So I'm going to add a handful of raisins, optional if you don't like, to decorate my rice. Then afterwards, add 4 teaspoons of the chicken oil and mix the rice very well and slowly. So as you can see in the video, I've used a 1/4 teaspoon of green food coloring with a bit of water. Then add the drops in the rice. Repeat the same process with the orange food coloring and the red food coloring. And if you have any other color, you can also use it, that's up to you. Cover the rice and return it back in the microwave to cook for 10 minutes to be completely dry. And if you're going to use a gas or a jiko, return back the rice to cook till it's completely dry. And after 10 minutes, my rice is completely dry, as you can see in the video. Let it to cool down for at least 10 minutes before mixing it. And after about 10 minutes, mix the rice slowly to avoid from breaking the rice. Serve your rice in a serving bowl. As you can see in the video, the rice is nicely cooked, long, and it looks so beautiful. And my chicken biryani is ready, as you can see in the video. It looks so tasty, mouth-watering. So basically in Swahili, we serve with some salad, some banana, and some chili. Like, this biryani was so tasty. Enjoy your chicken biryani with a cold drink. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. Please don't forget to watch Aussie Rice from Suhaifa's Food. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, Or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.